Myrtle, what's for supper?
Henry, we're having Dolsot Bibimbap.
What'd you want to go and do that for?
What?
Invite a bimbo for dinner.
I didn't invite no bimbo for dinner. I'm cooking a Korean dish.
But we ain't Korean. I was wanting something American, like tacos or spaghetti.
Well, I'm having Dolsot Bibimbap. I don't know what you're having.
Guess I could see what them boys doing down at the American Legion.
Hello, happy campers. I'm Carla. Welcome to Singing Nomad. If you follow along, you haven't seen me much in the last 3 months because life happens. We had a time crunch of moving into an old home that we remodeled and did the work ourselves. Not nearly finished, but we are moved in and getting settled. And the hubs had a full knee replacement. And if you've ever had one of those, you know that it is a long process. So I don't feel comfortable traveling and leaving him for very long. I might do a day hike in the next couple of weeks in the next video. But for right now, we're sticking around the house and doing some more remodeling and decorating. And it's fun. It's fun, but I've missed you guys. Today, I have a recipe video for you. Something that is delicious. And I discovered it, I think it was on TikTok. And I was like, I'm going to try that. It was so good. It's Korean and I just love Asian dishes. We're going to try that out today. And if I'm being for real here, I am not a lover of cooking. I just don't love it. I'll do it. And I've gotten better over the years. But I just have to really, it's kind of like going to Wally World, Walmart. I have to psych myself up to go in there. And especially some of the energy that's in there. So to cook, I have to do the same, just kind of psych myself up. And then I enjoy it once I get in there. And of course, I enjoy eating later when it's all done. So what I do is I make myself a cup of tea, or in the summer, I might make some iced hibiscus tea. And I light a candle and maybe play some music. If other people in the house got the TV going loud, I'll put my earbuds in. And I just kind of have to have an atmosphere to help give me the grace to cook. It just doesn't come naturally to me to love it. But today we're doing a recipe that I really enjoy eating, and I hope you'll give it a try too.
I'm going in.